We came for celebrating the New Year at Dubai Frame, and I hope that next year will be the best. This is the best city in the whole Emirate, full of building.
Very excited to watch here the fireworks here. It's 2020, it's New Year.
We came to celebrate this New Year to Dubai with our brother who is in Karama. So we are expecting a very fruitful and prosperous New Year in this coming, and we wish all a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to all.
This is my first time in Dubai, and the place here, it is quite bright and beautiful, and I'm hoping for very best for all the residents of Dubai.
It's a great place, and we are hoping in 2020 will be a blast year for Dubai.